Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever wanted to make your Google Sheets just a bit more visual, maybe to point out a key metric, clarify a trend, or simply jazz up your spreadsheet, today's tutorial is for you. I'm going to show you exactly how to insert an arrow shape right into your Google Sheet. By the end of this video, you'll know how to add clear, eye-catching arrows that can highlight or direct attention to anything you want inside your sheet. Let's dive right in and get started. Alright, the first thing you'll want to do is open up your Google Sheet and make sure you're on the tab where you want to add your arrow. Now up at the top of your screen, you'll see a menu bar with different options like File, Edit, and so on. What you're looking for here is the Insert menu. Go ahead and click on Insert. This menu is kind of like your gateway for adding anything new into your sheet, whether it's a chart, an image, or an object like we're about to do. It's a good habit to get familiar with everything you can add from this menu. Next, from the dropdown, you'll want to look for the option called Drawing. Click on that and you'll notice a pop-up window appears. This drawing tool is almost like having a mini canvas inside Google Sheets, letting you create or import different shapes and lines. It's super handy whenever you want to add custom visuals that don't quite fit into the normal cells. Now we're inside the drawing tool. If you check along the toolbar at the top of this window, you'll see a little icon that looks like a diagonal line. That's your line tool. But here's a helpful hint. Right beside that, there's a tiny arrow indicating there's more to this tool than meets the eye. That's a drop-down menu. Go ahead and click on the arrow next to the line icon. This will reveal a few different types of lines, for example, regular straight lines, elbow connectors, and most importantly for us, arrow. Choose arrow from this dropdown. You'll know you've got the right one because your cursor will change into a little crosshair. Now you're ready to actually draw your arrow onto the blank canvas. Click where you want your arrow to start, hold your mouse button down, and drag in the direction you want your arrow to point. You can make your arrow as short or as long as you like, and if you ever want to adjust its direction, just click and drag again. Imagine you're drawing an actual arrow with a pencil, just a digital version. Take your time with this step. If it doesn't look quite right, you can easily click the arrow you've just drawn and resize, tilt, or move it until you're happy. You can even customize the thickness or color by using the menu options above if you want your arrow to really stand out. Once you're satisfied with how your arrow looks, all you have to do is click the blue Save and Close button in the top right of the drawing window. Give it a second, and you'll see your new arrow shape appear directly in your sheet. You can click and drag it to move it wherever you need, maybe pointing to a number you want to emphasize or highlighting a key row. And that's all there is to it. Even though the process is tucked away in a few menus, once you know where to find the drawing tool, you can add all sorts of shapes and visuals, not just arrows, to make your data a lot more engaging and easy to understand. I hope you found this walkthrough clear and helpful. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up and feel free to drop a comment below if you have any questions or other tips you want to share. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.